When it comes to must-have kitchen items, mixing bowls rank high on the list. They come in handy when you're prepping ingredients, making sauces, and in some cases, serving your final dish. But most of all, the best mixing bowls make baking easier. Poorly designed mixing bowls can lead to issues like dry ingredients being trapped at the bottom or overmixing that results in tough baked goods, says Dana Beninati. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 mixing bowls on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Duralex 9-piece glass bowl set. Loved by bakers and chefs alike, this 9-piece set from Duralex is versatile for preparing, serving, mixing, and baking. The larger sizes provide ample room for chunkier ingredients, baking batters, and salad tossing. The smaller sizes are helpful for mise en place, or having all of your ingredients in place before cooking. These tempered glass bowls feature wide openings, which reduces the risk of overmixing by ensuring even distribution of your seasoning. Plus, they can tolerate being exposed to extreme temperatures from 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit because of the tempered glass. We also appreciate that when the bowls are nested within each other, the rims don't touch, which means they're less likely to chip. Why you should get it: these glass bowls are tempered, meaning they're less likely to chip or break than regular glass. Keep in mind, because these are made with 2 rims surrounding the bowl, they can be more tedious to clean. Number 2. Nordic Ware Covered Bowl Set. Nordic Ware's microwave-safe mixing bowls are constructed from durable plastic yet still maintain their lightweight feel, making them a suitable pick for serving snacks to kids or for those with minimal arm strength. The airtight lids keep pre-washed fruits and vegetables fresher for longer. Just make sure to press hard on the center of the lid, versus the edges, to ensure it's properly snug. Design-wise, the ribbed exterior makes them a one-bowl wonder for mixing and preparing your ingredients in, then subsequently serving. This set comes in several sizes to assist with a variety of tasks around the kitchen, and when it comes time to wash and put away, they can be thrown in the dishwasher and then nestled into each other for easy storage. Product details, dimensions, not listed, capacity, 2 quarts, 3.5 quarts, 5 quarts, and 7 quarts, material, plastic. These are safe to use in the microwave and dishwasher. Number 3. Viking Culinary Stainless Steel Mixing Bowl Set. You know them and love them for their large appliances, but this 10-piece mixing bowl set from Viking is also worthy of being in your kitchen. Made out of durable stainless steel, these bowls are lightweight, safe to store in the fridge or freezer, and can be used as a double boiler. This set comes with 5 bowls and 5 accompanying lids, all of which nestle into each other, even the lids, for foolproof storage. Each bowl also features measurement markings, which eliminates the need for measuring cups, and the need to wash an extra dish. The bowls feature a non-slip silicone base to not only keep them in place but to prevent them from nicking your countertop as well. When using this set, we found that the lids weren't the most snug, so use caution if transporting hot items. Product details, capacity, 20 ounces, 1.5 quarts, 3 quarts, 5 quarts, and 8 quarts, material, stainless steel. Number 4. Bamboozle Nesting Bowl Set. If you're looking to jazz up your bakeware, this 7-piece set from Bamboozle will do the job. Available in an array of colors, from vibrant pastels to cool grays, these bowls are made out of sustainable bamboo fiber that is biodegradable, making them a solid option for those with an eco-friendly kitchen. But these bowls aren't just easy on the eyes, they score high marks when it comes to functionality, too. There's a size for every application, from mixing up a simple vinaigrette for a salad to marinating vegetables for tomorrow's lunch. Unlike other common mixing bowl materials like glass or ceramic, these are lightweight, yet still durable. They'll even resist scratches from your hand mixer. Though these bowls are dishwasher safe, they shouldn't be used in the microwave or for high heat tasks like double boiling. Product details, dimensions, 11 by 11.5 by 6.5 inches, capacity, 36, 48, 88, 120, and 192 ounces, material, bamboo fiber and melamine. Number 5. Bamboo Fiber Salad Serving Bowl Set. Wooden bowls are great for serving and housing fruits on your counter, but they aren't as useful for baking since they're porous and can break down when used with liquids. If you're looking to reap the same aesthetic of a wooden bowl but have a little more functionality, try this large salad bowl from Shine Me, which features a bowl made of bamboo fiber to make it compatible with liquids and baking. The lid is the star of the show here. It features grooves for the included serving utensils, making it worthy of taking along for picnics or to the beach, and it can also be used as a cutting board when flipped on its inside. As for the bowl itself, it's made out of biodegradable bamboo fiber, as are the utensils, and is safe to throw into the dishwasher for easy cleanup. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.